Let me show you how to clean our IZO fryer.
Cool and drain the oil. Ensure the oil or fat has cooled down below 60 Celsius before starting. Place the suitable waste oil container under the drain tap, left-hand side. Open the safety valve and fully drain the oil. Remove and clean parts. Lift the support tray, remove the basket and clean thoroughly. Remove and wash the drip tray on the left side. Unscrew the 4 corner screws to fully detach the support tray. Clean and store screws safely. Heating element. Remove 6 Allen screws and set them aside. Wipe clean, do not immerse in water. Detach the 2 top guards. Unplug the multi-pin connector right-hand side and lift out the element. Remove the remaining 2 bottom guards and wash all 4 guards. Side drip table on the left. Unscrew 4 screws underneath to remove. Lift off and clean. Wash the fryer tank with warm soapy water. Rinse, drain and dry thoroughly. Reassemble. Install the 2 bottom guards first. Reconnect and position the heating element, then attach the top 2 guards using the 6 Allen screws. Refit the basket support tray with the 4 corner screws. Set the frying basket onto the support tray and lower it into the position. Reattach the side table with 4 screws and place the drip tray back. The fryer is now fully cleaned and ready for use.